Hi folks, let me introduce you to my Triumph TR7 V8. It's been lowered by about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches. It's got the 15-inch mini light wheels on. She rides really well with them on. Under the bonnet, as you can see, it's got the Rover SD1 3.5 litre V8 engine in it, and it's in absolutely pristine condition. I haven't done nothing to this car since I've had it. I've had it about 6 months now. Probably put about 2,000 or 3,000 miles on it. She purrs like a kitten. Yeah, she's been well looked after. I know it was converted in the late 80s, this, so it stood the test of time and it's been really well looked after. And all these people watching this now are saying, shut up, we want to hear what it sounds like. Well, anyway, this is what she sounds like. And that, folks, is what she sounds like. She's absolutely awesome. I couldn't be any more pleased with it. Now, if you like this short video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider it. It really helps the channel and it is totally free. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell and you'll be alerted when I have new content out. So thanks very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.